I don't know, man, dude. This looks nasty.
Oh, I scraped bottom right there.
Whew.
Wow.
I need to take a breather.
All right, guys, Oregon Motorcycle back here today, bringing you another episode from Lottie Flats. We got the KTM 390, we got the DRZ 400, and we're going to attempt some single track right now.
This is dual track.
Oh, it's dual track?
Yeah.
What's going on here? Let's see.
What? Not me. Not me.
You.
I don't know, man. This part of the beginning is kind of nasty. Oh, all right, taking a breather. Woo!
Dang, dude. Okay, my heart's pumping.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the easy way out. Dude, this is nasty for a Jeep. Holy shit. See those big dips and stuff?
Yeah, yeah. Some crazy off-camber stuff. Looks fun, though. It's a good test for the side-by-sides.
Yeah, I think this is dual track, because isn't that what it means is the
I don't know.
like if there's two tire tracks or one?
Yeah, but I don't know exactly how that gets classified. We're on some kind of track.
Trails, yeah.
Ooh.
Whew. Gonna take the easy way again.
Yeah.
Man, I'm out of shape. Holy shit.
Wow.
Alright, I need to take a breather. Man.
This is crazy, dude.
I know. Gotta let my visor defog. Alright. Alright.
Oh boy.
Whew. Man, that's awesome. I'm out of shape, man.
Me too.
That was awesome.
Yeah. That was crazy.
Whew.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to ride the stuff like Dork in the Road's riding, where it's all nice and flat. And
a couple times I thought I was going to scrape, but I didn't scrape.
some of those were pretty steep going down.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Dude, what's that? Yeah. That picture you took on Instagram of our bikes like this, yours was on the side stand, so it was like that much taller.
I know, I got a couple comments on it. They're like, oh man, the CBX looks way more ground clearance. This one has 20 more millimeters of ground clearance than this one does. So this actually one has a little bit more, like 2 centimeters more. It doesn't look that way though. But I don't know. Maybe that's without the skid plate. Yeah. I'll get a skid plate eventually, dude. Yeah.
Whew, alright. I think we're almost done, right? There's just the... Alright. Let's, go back and then... I want to take a drink. Drink some water at the staging area. Yeah. That's big. Oh, jeez. Oh, this is nasty, dude. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna take it slow through this crap.
Wow.
Ooh.
Jeez.
All right, hold on. I'm fogging up my visor.
Oh.
Oh. Too slow, I stalled it. What were you saying?
Oh, I scraped bottom right there.
Yeah. Oh, this looks nasty, dude. Dude, this looks crazy.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. I scraped back there on the bottom.
Ooh.
But I think it was my center stand.
I don't know, man, dude. This looks nasty.
Let me get around the next curve and see. And this section right here doesn't look too bad.
Oh yeah.
Is it worse up there?
Yeah, there's big ass rocks and shit. Yeah.
This is a true test, dude.
I know, right?
Oh, I just hit bottom again. Dude, we're nuts.
Made it.
Holy crap. Is this the road?
I think so.
Okay, that was a little more than I expected, but
yeah,
that looked more difficult than the stuff Dork in the road was doing.
Yeah, it did. What is this crap? Woo!
Oh, I hit bottom there too. I hit like 3 or 4 times back there. That was awesome.
Yeah. Oh man, I should have disabled my airbag. Whew.
That was a workout.
Yeah.